Good afternoon. My name is Blair Anderson. This afternoon we're at Factory Outlet Trailers and I want to do a quick walk around with you on the Legend Trackmaster. This model is 29 feet long, 24 feet of box plus the 5-foot V-nose. It is a 7-foot wide model in the Trackmaster series, and one of the key features of the 7-foot wide is it keeps us at a lower center of gravity, not like a deck over. If you've ever towed in the winds in southern Alberta, you would know that a lower center of gravity and stability are key features. One other nice thing about a 7-foot wide is it doesn't restrict your views from your tow vehicle, so you can always see when you're traveling through tight mountain passes, going to your favorite destination. A couple of great features of this trailer are it's all aluminum construction and it's limited lifetime warranty. So this is the last toy trailer you're going to need to buy. If you come down here down the side, we'll have a look. Both front and rear ramp doors are spring assisted. Simple and easy, lightweight to close. Built-in cam bar latches with locks, so no need to have extra locks. No worry about them freezing up in the cold weather or any issues. Lock it, latch it, and away you go. Built-in side step for easy access, along with the custom touch of the nice rounded radius door. Again, with an RV latch so you can open it from the inside and the out. If we keep coming along the side, you'll notice a few other nice touches is their lighted grab handle. When you're loading and unloading in the dark, it is nice to be able to see. Dual fuel doors so you can fuel your toys when they're in the trailer. No worried about jerry cans. Stick the hose in, fill them up, and head out the gate. Custom side vents, both front and rear, are adjustable so you can limit the airflow that comes in and out of the trailer to keep it nice and fresh and no stale air inside. We come around the back, a few other things that you'll really notice that set the Legend trailer apart from some of the others is the white liner, interior walls, and ceiling. By doing this, what it's done is it's really brightened it up inside so you can still see very well with natural light, and it gives you a nice fresh white look inside. They've added this splash shield along the bottoms on both sides, so that way anything that falls off your machines, road grime, dirt, mud from your toys in the summertime, you can wash it right out the back and have no issues with it. Also has D-rings down both sides, so you can tie your toys down when you're headed down the road. And that way your load is secure with no problems. The Trackmaster is my favorite trailer on the lot right now, just because, again, that low center of gravity, easy to see, and you can still haul your 4 sleds or your 2 side-by-sides, your ATVs, anything you need. Any more questions, come on down to Factory Outlet Trailers and give one of our guys a chance to show you what sets this trailer apart from the others.